Kentucky Governor Matt Bevin speaking out for the first time days after House Speaker Jeff Hoover was brought under fire amid sexual harassment claims.
I am calling on the immediate and for the immediate resignation of every individual who has settled a sexual harassment case, who is party to trying to hide this type of behavior.
According to a Courier-Journal report, Hoover allegedly settled a sexual harassment claim with one of his staffers outside of court. Now an investigation is underway. And we've learned not only Hoover is being named in it, but so are 3 other committee chairmen.
These allegations are serious. These allegations are specific. These allegations are reprehensible.
And in a statement, Hoover responds saying in part, quote, "The governor has yet to ask our side of the story. He and I have not spoken since the story broke, and I did not receive a courtesy call from him before his grandstanding today. Instead, he has accepted as fact only one side of the story."
You can tell from the tone of my voice that the disappointment.
But GOP Representative C. Wesley Morgan is vocal about the side he picked. On Twitter Saturday morning, he became one of the first Republican House members to ask for Hoover's impeachment or resignation. He says he spoke to a whistleblower in this case and is saddened by his House leader.
I feel like I've been very much let down by my leadership, and I do not want to participate with a group of individuals that would do the things that they've done.